In the last 2 years, we have witnessed the greatest gold rush in human history. Trillions of dollars has been poured into a single bet. That's artificial intelligence. And it will change everything.
AI is the biggest technical thing ever in my lifetime. I mean, it is so profound, and therefore its influence is hard to overstate.
As we sit here in 2026, the cracks are already starting to show up. We are staring at a massive $600 billion revenue gap.
Microsoft is down by about $613 billion. Amazon is down by $343 billion. Apple is down by $256 billion. Alphabet is down by $88 billion. Nvidia is also down by nearly $90 billion. Why is this happening?
Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are growing at record speeds, yet they are bleeding billions of dollars in intelligence burn. Is this the dawn of new era, or we are living through the dot-com bubble 2.0 again? Today, we are looking at the evolution of AI giants, why they are losing money, and the DeepSeek Shock that just changed the rules of the game. To understand the bubble, you have to look at the math. In 2024, AI capital expenditure was around $240 billion. By the end of this year, we are looking at nearly $1 trillion. But what's the problem? What's the problem because of it this is happening? Most of that money is flowing into hardware, chips, data centers, and power, but it's not coming out of the software they have built. Take OpenAI. They are on the track of huge revenue, but their net losses are staggering, estimated between $17 to $25 billion. It's a winner-take-all game. They are not just building software, they are building a new digital utility. But even for giants like Microsoft, there is a circular economy risk. If the startup they found stops spending, the whole house of cards would just collapse. For a while, the rule was simple. More data plus more compute equal to more intelligence. We called it the scaling laws. But we have hit a wall here. By 2026, we essentially used up the high quality human data on the internet. Turning to synthetic data, AI generated content risks something called the model collapse. Just imagine a photocopier making a copy of a copy and again another copy of an image. Eventually the image disappears. And then came the DeepSeek Shock. In early 2025, a Chinese startup proved you could build a world-class model for a fraction of the cost, using smarter algorithms instead of just more cheap. This sent Nvidia's stock into a record-breaking dive. It proved that the moat around expensive hardware might be shallower than we thought.
China's latest AI breakthrough has leapfrogged the world.
I think we should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
A game-changing move that does not come from OpenAI, Google, or Meta.
There is a new model that has all of the valley buzzing.
But from a Chinese lab called DeepSeek.
AI bubble isn't just about the code. It's about cables, specifically power cables. AI consumes so much electricity that companies are literally restarting nuclear reactors.
The notorious Pennsylvania nuclear power plant, 3 Mile Island, may be reopening. Power plant's owner, Constellation Energy, said Friday it plans to restart the reactor in 2028, pending government approval.
Microsoft made a 20-year deal to restart 3 Mile Island just to power their server. We are moving from the cloud to the core. If you can't secure the megawatts, you can't win the AI race. This shift is not just from the digital to physical. It's just about the bottleneck of the 2026. So is this the 1999 all over again? In 2000, only 14% of the dot-com companies were profitable. Today, the companies leading AI, Microsoft, Apple, Google, are the most profitable entities in the history. But the parallel is in the installation phase. Back then, we overbuilt fiber optic cables. Investors lost money, but that wasteful spending gave us the infrastructure for Amazon and Netflix. AI is likely the same. We are overbuilding GPU clusters now. Many will fail, but the result will be a world of cheap and abundant intelligence. But how can we prevent this crash? The answer is simple. Think of something like vertical AI. Companies that stop trying to answer every question and start solving gritty problems. For example, medical billing, law, logistics. The winners won't be the ones with the biggest models, but the ones with the best human readiness. The ability to actually change how we are. The AI bubble might pop, but the technology won't disappear. We are transitioning from a training-centric world to an inference-centric one. By 2029, 90% of the cost will be using AI, not building it. The great intelligence correction is coming. It will separate the pretenders from the innovators. The question is for you. Are you prepared for the deployment phase? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this informative, hit the like button and subscribe for more such deep dive into future of the tech. I'll see you in the next one.